In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write on Google Calendar. First things first, let's tackle the very beginning of our journey, logging into Google Calendar. We'll start by opening our preferred web browser. Once there, navigate to the Google Calendar login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Carefully type in your details and then click Next. This simple step unlocks the gateway to efficient planning and organization. Now that we're signed into Google Calendar, let's move on to choosing our dates. For the purposes of this guide, we'll focus on a specific period, the 4 days starting Friday, October 25th, 2024. Selecting the correct date range is crucial, as it helps in planning your schedule accurately. Ensure that you're viewing the calendar for these dates to follow along seamlessly. With the correct date range established, it's time to dive into creating an event. On the Google Calendar interface, locate and click on the Event option. This step is your first action towards personalizing your calendar. Adding events is a fundamental feature of Google Calendar that allows you to keep track of appointments, meetings, and any important dates. Following the creation of an event, let's explore adding a task. Within the same interface, find and select the Task option. Tasks are incredibly useful for organizing your to-do list. They help break down your day-to-day objectives, making your goals more manageable and less daunting. The next step involves the most critical part of this process, typing in your title and description for the event or task you're creating. This is where you detail what the event or task is about. A clear, concise title partnered with a comprehensive description ensures that your future self and anyone else involved understands what's planned. Take your time with this step to avoid any confusion later on. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save option and click on it. This action commits your event or task to your Google Calendar, officially plotting it on your timeline. Remember, the beauty of Google Calendar lies in its ability to keep your days organized and your tasks prioritized. Whether you're planning events or setting up tasks, the platform is designed to make your life easier and more productive. Practice navigating through these steps, and soon you'll be customizing Google Calendar like a pro, making it work perfectly for your specific needs. In closing, always remember to review your calendar regularly to stay up to date with your schedule. Adjustments and tweaks can be made easily, so don't hesitate to keep refining your plans. That's all for now. Happy organizing.